Alright, so Monday morning, just pulled up here. It's about 10:30 right now in the morning. Just got a call a few minutes ago about a walk-in freezer. He said went down last night and everything, and it's up to about 55, 60 degrees right now. So it's like, well, dang dude, you got the number. You can call us anytime, but whatever. So yeah, he said the breaker's not tripped and everything, and that it's making a weird noise. So, but at that temperature, it's leading me to believe that there's something. Maybe he's hearing noise rattling from the compressor up on the roof or something like that. But he said it's not tripping the breaker, but you know, that's what they say. So anyways, we'll get on in there and start seeing what's going on. Okay, so here I am. I'm gonna look at that drain line. I'm gonna have to fix that. That heater's not even really connected. It's not wrapped. So we'll fix that. The panel is missing and basically always has been missing. So I'll see if I can't get a piece of metal, figure that out. When I got in here, it was kind of hissing, like you could hear it was low on refrigerant. The noise he was talking about was the solenoid valve, kind of rattling a little bit in there. But it's like, okay, so it's just not coming on, but the coil is warm. You can kind of hear it hiss again. Discharge line is warm. Get my hand up here in the suction. There's that noise. Hear it hissing, and you can hear a rumble up on the roof too. And that suction line feels pretty warm too, so I have a bad feeling about this compressor. So let's get on the roof and see what's going on. Alright, it's up on the roof now. I think it was making a noise a second ago. Nah, it's a good sound. So let that go. Yep, that compressor is toast. Pistol hot. That's the valve shot on it. This thing is about 12 years old, so okay. Well, I automatically know that that's what it is. Oh, the doghouse is falling apart. Along with the rest of the store. Plenty of room. So I can make a list of everything I need. Compressor, filter dryer, dual pressure control. Alright, so single phase. There are star components out. Automatically says single phase. No contact to worry about. So okay. Okie doke. Frost plug on this side. There's still good. That's the one I did. Oh, that'll do it again. Yep. I need to clean up a little bit up here too. I also noticed, look at the makeup air. Oh, that cover's missing. Oh, it's not even on. Oh, the cover's over there. So yeah, I'll probably while it's not hot, turned on. Huh, okay, that's on to-do list. I'll note that too. But all right, let me call the store and start looking for these parts and getting a quote off to the customer. I mean, they're obviously gonna have to get it done, but I know they're gonna flip when they see a quote on this. So anyways, we'll come back to it. Okay, so got the recovery machine and what I need up here for now, so I can go ahead and get that fired up while I finish grabbing everything else up here. Go on, this guy. Everything else up on the roof now. Alright, recovery is just about there and everything. I got everything up on the roof now. Just wanted to show you a couple things. First off, here, I like to take the compressor out of the box, throw my doodad stuff, little knick-knack stuff in there, and so that way I can just lift it all up once in the box and compressor separate. And compressor right there. I like to try and lift it last because it's the heaviest, and so it's like almost like a little stretch out and warm up. Getting everything else up beforehand. Well, I'm out of breath. What I also like to do, buy a screwdriver, bang, just pop it in there, grab the other hand right there on the electrical terminal box, and this thing moves quite easy. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, get this moved over, catch my breath, and then start tearing into this. Okay, so Alright, I'm in process. I'm going to go ahead and replace the condenser fan motor up here too and everything, but I wanted to show y'all our square heads down there holding the fan blade in place and everything. Well, you ain't going to get a service wrench in there, so you can take your 1/4 inch extension and that'll fit right down on in there. Or 5/16 port. Anyways, yeah, so get that on there and put a wrench on the end, and then okay, we'll get that off. Okay, so got the condenser fan motor in, got the compressor tightened up and in place. New section of piping going from the receiver to the filter dryer, new filter dryer, new sight glass. Got everything set, so I can just go through and there it is. Do a bunch of brazing all at once. Okay, so did good on the leak test with nitro, did good on vacuum, got down to about 400 microns. I just finished up all the electrical, new star components, cleaned up some of this wiring. Got my new dual pressure control kind of rough set, and then I'll set it from there. There's sight glass and filter dryer. So yeah, I'm ready to just go ahead and start spitting in some juice and then see if I can go home soon. Oh yeah, I still have to go re-insulate that condensate drain line down below too. On the end of the compressor down there. Okay, back down on the box. Let's see. 23 degrees. Fans are running good. We'll just have to come back and do something about that because it's going to be getting late anyways. But already got this side of it done and everything. The insulation that was there looks like someone had just done freaking insulation tape and everything. And then up here was like that cheapy, really styrofoamy stuff you get at the hardware store. Goodness. And then look. Baling wire. Man, I make jokes about this chain and everything where it's duct tape and baling wire holding things together, but I found duct tape at one place just up the road a couple weeks ago, and here's baling wire. So good thing I'm redoing this, so I'll get that secured up properly and make sure she gets down to temperature. Okay, nice new insulation going up and through. Nice and wrapped up. Right now it's saying 21. It was saying 18 earlier, but manager came in, was all so impressed it was so cold. He was just gonna stand there with the door open and talk about it. So anyways, let me grab my thermometer, go back up to the roof, and just kind of start wrapping up. Alright, back on the roof. Looking at pressures and subcoolant, we are good to go. I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can pop this thing into defrost and see if it'll pump down, and we'll see what the little pressure control cuts out at. Okay. Let me hit defrost this time. See what we get. Little too low. We'll have to adjust that. Okay. So I'll adjust that, and then we'll wrap up here. Okay, so just a little closer on that walk-in freezer. It's actually 2 days later now. The following day I went ahead and have my tech go down, double check the superheat subcoolant charge and make sure it's cycling good at temperature, and had them use some sheet metal to make a little cover thing for that one side of the evaporator. So that's all good to go and everything. So yeah, that was fun. I got home about 5:30 or so and everything, so it wasn't too bad. I was on that thing for a little over 7 hours, so not too bad. Weather's turning decent here in Colorado. It was a little chilly and cloudy that day and everything, but it wasn't too terrible. But also, I was thinking of one thing, and I wanted to kind of put it in here and everything. Another little ancient Chinese secret. So when you're lifting up the stuff on the roof and everything, I have just like the rope with the carabiner there and everything. One day I'll get a hook, but I'm always kind of conscious of like, I'll get it hooked up and everything, and then get up to the, and then I make sure it's kind of off to the side, because sometimes if you just kind of hook it up and throw it down and get climbing up on the roof, and then you get up there and you go to start pulling, you start catching on stuff or hooking underneath your reg right there, and then it just moves everything around. It's not stable and going upright and everything. So just want to share that quick little tip there.